Well, it's day 2 at the pet cemetery. The boys have been very hard at work. We've extensively trimmed and blowed and on their way to starting to create the pathways to get us through the different sections. We've been able to find some existing pathways, but others we're recreating. A lot of it's based on common sense, and they actually do have a lot of historical footage and photographs going back to the 50s of this site. So that's given us something to start with. The boys, they're animals. They have moved a lot of rocks the last day. And they're starting to like this idea of the double wide, because they're kind of small. So eventually we will create interlocking paths that kind of all connect together to get people through this site.